Hello,
How are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm great, thank you.
All right.
So, your name is Marcelo, right?
Yes, my name is Marcelo. I'm from Brazil. And you?
Great. I am Cherry and I am from South Africa.
Um, your name is Cherry?
Yeah, you can call me Cherry.
Cherry like fruit?
Yes, right,
Cherry.
exactly.
A beautiful name.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, my whole name is Cherise, but many,
Cherries.
yeah, many people can't pronounce it for some reason, but you can. So you can call me Cherry or Cherise, so whichever you
Okay.
prefer.
Sherry or cherries?
Cherise. Yeah, yeah,
Cherries. Okay, but Sherry, many
yeah.
people,
Sherry is fine.
Sherry.
Yeah.
It's fine for you. All right, fine for me too.
Okay, great. So you say
You told me about your. Are you from? Where are you from?
South Africa.
Africa?
Yeah, South Africa.
You are live? Sorry. Are you live there in Africa?
Um, I was born in South Africa, but I don't live there anymore. I live in Thailand now.
Ah, Thailand.
Yeah.
I had a teacher there in Thailand,
Yeah.
and she told me is correct.
Yeah, she told me.
Yes, she told me that Thailand is very good. The country.
Right.
The country is very good because the people the people let me see, let me remember the word. the
Okay.
people are the people are plural, right? Plural,
Yeah.
use are. The people are young, young,
Yeah.
young, young,
Young. Young.
young, young.
Yeah.
Yes, the sky is very is good, so never old, never is old.
Yeah. You never
uh
have like an old uh you have old people, but the people are very, very friendly and they're very lively. And even all the older people, they even work and they're happy and they're exciting. So don't really feel like you are old or you don't feel like you feel bored, you know? It's always
Very good.
exciting. Yeah.
This culture is very, very good for everybody.
Yeah.
For example, I'm right.
Yeah.
I have is incorrect. Maybe
Yeah.
I
No, you can
am, I
I
am
I have
30 years old.
oh I am, yes. I
I
am
am,
30
yes.
years old.
I am 30-year old, and sometimes the people say, Marcelo, but for me, you looking, right?
Yeah, you
You,
look?
yes, you look how you look like, maybe is correct. You look like, let me see, 38 or 40 is old is not good for me.
Wow.
But
That
here
is yeah.
is Brazil. Brazil is not so good like Thailand, right?
Why is Brazil not so good? Tell me a little bit more about Brazil. I've never been there.
Here's well, I think that the health here is not so good like
Yeah.
Thailand because the problem in the sky. Let me see.
The
Mm,
pollution?
pollution. Yes,
Yeah.
perfect. Pollution.
Yeah.
Yes, the pollution and the problems on the work.
Yeah.
Many many problems,
Mm.
right?
So many problems at work, right? You have a
Many
lot of
problems. Yes.
stress.
Stress.
Maybe stress,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Stress is just
Is
causing
stress a lot every day. For
mm,
example, here in São Paulo, do you know the city São Paulo in Brazil?
yeah,
São
yeah,
Paulo is the is the more important. Yes, more
Yes,
important
that we
or
could
most
say, yeah, most important.
most
Or
important.
is it also the capital?
São Paulo is capital. No, it's not capital Brazil. Brasilia is capital.
Oh yeah, yeah, of
But
course.
São Paulo is the best and is the big
Yeah.
city in Brazil. Is
Okay.
the big is not the word correct.
The biggest.
Well, biggest, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, the biggest
Okay.
and the most important
Yeah. Why is it the most important?
because São Paulo is the big or biggest, right?
Yeah.
Biggest,
Yeah.
and because here have the most opportunities about
Okay.
work, and here have the mm, here have the money a lot of money.
Yeah, we could say there's a lot of money here.
Yes, but here also is expensive, right?
Oh, yeah.
Expensive. But São Paulo have or São Paulo
Has.
has São Paulo has the big opportunities and the big companies and the most important, right,
Yeah.
companies. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
uh, here
Great.
everything here in São Paulo, but
Wow.
exist other states
Yeah.
or other cities here in Brazil important too, but São Paulo is the first.
All right. Wow. That's wonderful. It's
Yes.
interesting. I've never heard much of Sao Paulo, but I hear a lot about Rio and Brasilia, and so those I
Yes.
hear a lot about, but not so much actually about Sao Paulo. I wonder why.
Maybe because São Paulo is beautiful, but Rio de Janeiro is more beautiful, right?
Yeah,
And
right.
is postal card.
Yeah, postal
Yeah,
card.
Rio de
Yeah,
Janeiro is postal card. São Paulo is
yeah,
not. But São Paulo has uh, the money,
yeah.
opportunities. So uh, what is the what else? Mm, I know, but in English, I don't know.
No, it's okay.
Explain, okay, for you.
I
But
think you're doing perfect. I understand more about Sao Paulo already, so
mhm.
it's really great.
The
And
population the is biggest,
yeah, it's the
right?
biggest.
But tell me about something. You told me about you are Africa, right?
Yeah, from so South Africa. South Africa.
South, okay, South
Yeah.
Africa. Yes. Sorry for my question, okay? But
No, it's fine.
I don't know
I
many
know the
things.
question.
I don't know many things about South Africa, okay?
Yeah.
But you have your skin, white skin, right? And
Yeah.
your hair
Yeah.
is what is the color?
Blonde, blonde.
Blonde. Yes.
Yeah,
Why?
blonde hair.
Why? Is normal?
Well,
And
let's see.
tell me a
Yeah.
second thing. You know English. Why? South Africa, the people know English
Yeah.
like a second language. Is normal.
Actually, English is our first language in South Africa.
Oh, very good.
But yeah, so South Africa, it was from the beginning, yes, it was like Africa, because Africa is huge.
Mm-hmm.
And South Africa, so if this is Africa, then South
Okay.
Africa is just a point over there. So South Africa is a little point at the bottom
Mm-hmm.
of Africa. And first we were colonized by um, the Dutch. So
Mm-hmm.
the Dutch came, I can't remember in what year. I think it was 1985 or something. And the Dutch came to colonize South Africa.
Mm-hmm.
And then a lot of people came from Germany and from yeah, Dutch people came and to populate South Africa because of the diamond mines and because of the oil and because of the good climate in South Africa. South Africa has a very good climate.
All right.
And then after that, after the Dutch came, then the British came. So then they came to colonize South Africa. There was a big
Okay.
war between the Dutch and the British, the English. So that's why, so now South Africa is known as, or was known as a British colony. Yeah.
All right.
So,
Mm-hmm.
but now it changed to a,
And you
yeah,
have the blue eyes too, right?
right. So I'm actually, my grandfather is British. So
Ah, very good.
most of my family are English. Yeah.
Okay. This is because the mistake, right?
Yeah. So people always think of, um, oh, you're from Africa. I get that question a lot. You're
Oh,
from
very good.
Africa, so why
Yes.
are you white? And then I laugh and then I say, well,
Very
because we
good.
were colonized, right? So
Okay,
Marcella,
Sherry.
our time is running out.
Yes, I am sad now because I have
Yeah.
other questions for you, but unfortunately, I don't
Yeah.
have time.
Well, I
I will
hope to
try
see you
schedule.
again. Yeah, I will send it to you. Thank you so
All
much for
right.
your
See you
time.
soon. Bye bye. Thank you.
See you. Bye bye. Pleasure. Thank you.
Bye bye.